So now the question arises how Excel treats when you have date and time together. So for that we have a sheet called date and time where we have mentioned date along with the time. So let's have a look at this example. Now when a cell contains both date and time, then the date will be represented by a total, which is a serial number, and the time by a fractional part of that particular number. So I have few dates here. I have 5th March 1920, and then I have 13 hours 51 minutes and 56 seconds. So I can just go to right click, go to format cells, and I can show you a custom format that I have already chosen here and the type that I have chosen. So I will just cancel this for the time moment, and I have already referenced those cells here. So I will just right click this again, and now I will go to general, and when I go to general category, I see it as that time mentioned as 0.57731 and the date is mentioned as 7370. So if I just remove this time here, and as soon as I press enter, nothing will happen in column D because I have originally copied the time and date value and I have just referenced it in column F. So any changes that I make in column B will reflect in column F. So, and I press enter and I see that I only have 7370, and if I right click this number and go to date, I see that the date is 5th March 1920, and I can select any format. I will just cancel this. So in the second case where we have 11th December 2018 hours 11 minutes and 34 seconds, we have a value of 36871 as the date value and 0.75803 as time value. So we have another date. We have 22nd October 2017, 9 a.m. 47 minutes and 00 seconds. So we have 43,030 as the date value and 0.40764 as the time value. So I will just remove this, or I will make some changes. So I will just enter 40 minutes and 00 seconds, and I see that the date value remains the same. However, the time value has changed. And let's do this again and just remove this time value, and I just have the date entry or the date value.